In order to enter the Phantom wallet to the Bullx, first you need to log in with your Bullx account. For that, just open up your Telegram and start the bot. And once you have started the bot, just go ahead and log in it. And once you have logged in to your Bullx account, all you have to do is to log in to your Phantom account as well. So make sure you log in into your Phantom wallet. And once you have done that, you will have your Phantom wallet right over here. So for here, all you have to do is to just go in it and make sure that you go in it and receive the Solana address right here. So here you guys can see that this is my Solana address for the Phantom wallet. I have just copied it. All you have to do is go to your Bullx account, and in your Bullx account, go to the wallet manager on the left hand side. And once you're in the wallet manager, the next step is pretty easy. All you have to do is to go to the add wallet option. Simply go ahead and click on add wallet option. Make sure you select the wallet type of Solana and name it Phantom, and enter the address that you have just copied from the Phantom wallet. Go to the receiving end, and in the receiving end, go ahead and select the Solana and copy the address and paste it over here. And then click on add wallet. That way you will be able to enter the add the Phantom wallet with the Bullx. So it is that simple. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.